Here are 3 steps to focus on your wealth. Number 1, be looking. Every time you look around you, make a mental note of the amazing inventions that surround you. Think about what your life would be without them. Thank those objects. Yeah, I mean it. And appreciate how much nicer your life is because it's in your life. 2, be detailed. Although you don't need to have completely different items that you're grateful for every day, the details count. One day you might be grateful for clean, safe drinking water. The next day for hot showers, then for the ability to wash your hands to keep from spreading germs. And number 3, be present. Make sure that you're not just going through the motions. Slow down, smell the roses, fully live in the moment. If you only focus on future events, you may be telling yourself that you don't fully appreciate what you have now.